promoting YouTube. How you guys doing? I got a 2017 Ducati, as you guys see. It's the dust gray with the red wheels. Got the bike with 500 miles. Got about 1,000 miles on it right now. Did that wacky delete mirrors kit. Got those fancy ones. Give it that slick look. And I got the delete kit as well. The delete plates, I mean. I got a Termigoni dual mufflers, as you guys see. Paid over 1,600. I think the dealer started 400. So it cost me under $2,000. It's not bad. Got the tune because I got that exhaust system going on. And every time I start it, it says race on it. That's from Ducati dealer. And the bike sounds amazing. Here, I'm gonna start it up real quick. Doesn't do any justice. You guys gotta hear while the bike, the video doesn't do any justice by the sound. Soon enough, I'm gonna get the aluminum radiator. I'm gonna go ahead and get that